Hello and welcome to the first video of the Misu demo app, and we're going to be going over the authentication process and the primary user's capability to add a hub to their account. So first I'm going to restart the app and show you how it looks from the splash screen. The blue background with the white contrast, and here inside of the app itself there's a white background with a blue contrast. And the Mi Casa is Su Casa appears below the icon inside of the login screen. That is the tagline. The Mi and Su are different colored and they're different font that match the icon itself so that users aren't confused. Here in the login screen is a login form with an email password and then a sign-in button and a need an account and sign up prompts so that you can sign up if you don't have the account. Here in the sign up page is a same form, name, email, password, and a sign up button. And then below we have two options, one for a confirmation code, and if you have an account you can sign in. You can also navigate back to the login page from the top left or select from the bottom so that it's easily navigable. If you have a confirmation code once you sign in, you can enter it here. And the two input boxes take in their respective value and change the keyboard to reflect that. The email that you type in when signing up is going to be what's automatically filled in for your email when you confirm. You can also change it if you need to confirm to a different email than the one that you signed up for. Let me sign up real quick with an account here that I have with a temporary email. For the password, I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to sign up, and it's going to say that a verification code was sent to my email. Here's the email service that I'm using. Below here you can see that I got one email with my verification code, and that code is 934453. I'm going to put that inside of the app. And hit submit, and it's going to immediately log us in. And this is the home screen that the user sees if they don't own a device, and if no other owner has given them access. Here it'll also allow you to register your hub immediately, and it'll take you to the account page, and below shows your user ID as well, so that another user can add your account to their hub. So I'm going to select here the register my hub, and it'll take us to the account page. We can also go back and access the same page from the top right, but that's immediately prompting them to register a hub. Here the account page has the account card with your hub, list of hubs that are shared with you, and eventually at some point we're going to have the privacy options and the geographic settings for GPS. So here you can register your hub or log out. I'm going to select this register my hub button, and this is the same form that we're using for the confirmation code, but here we have the URL, email, and password. And for the URL, all the URLs end with the same domain, so we decided to include that automatically in the form text field, so the user doesn't need to type it out, and it'll ensure that we make sure that we're using the correct domain name. So next we're going to enter in the hub that we have from Jason. This is the hub that he has set up at home, and the hub email that he has set up for. So I'm going to hit sign up, and below it'll prompt me that my request to update the information has been successful. I can also log out and log back in using my information. And here we can see Jason created a very simple way of interacting with the devices and viewing the information. And if we go back to our account page, we can see all the information again, and we can go between them. Thank you very much for watching. Let us know what your feedback is.